up, online shoppers? I want to give you an up close and personal view of my Eskimo insulated ice hut. So it's going to be warmer in the winter. You can actually see all in here, there's quilting. I'm going to give you an up close view right here so you can see it. There's actually thick quilting, insulation, double layers of canvas plus an insulating material on the inside to keep this warmer. Now this is an awesome size. We're gonna go inside for a tour here so you can see what you've got. You've got all these really nice windows, openings, so you can see. You've got some airflow vents up here, and you've got a ton of space in here. Now I'm standing in here. I'm about 5'6", and my head is nowhere near the roof of this. You've got two windows on each side except for this corner here where you have a door. You've got a door and a window. You've got lots of light in here if you choose it. And if you want to do it up so that you can use your underwater camera and see really well, you can definitely do that as well. There are two flaps on each of the windows. There's a clear vinyl flap right here that does up with Velcro. I'm just going to do it up so you can see how it works here. And it gives you pretty good coverage like that. Nice seal. If you want the light in and you don't want the wind in, you've got that option. Now, if you want to sleep in here on the ice, you want it darker, you can just do up these flaps right here, the insulated ones, and look at how much darker it gets in here. Oops, sorry, hang on. You've got your windows, you've got your flaps. You could definitely fit 2 cots or more in here. Heck, you could sleep 4 people in this if you wanted to sleep on the ice. I'm just gonna step outside and give you another little view here, a walk around. You've got these peg holes in the bottom here, so you can fasten your tent to the ice. Really easy assembly and disassemble. This here is the handle that you pull, and when you pull that, it's going to release everything so that you can collapse your tent down. Really, really nice. It's so warm. When I put a heater in here, I definitely don't feel the cold. Now, you also have the option of 2 exits with this one. You have the exit here, and you have the one that I came in and out of. And I also want to show you, you get a little bag with tent pegs, and you get a really nice carrying case for your ice hut. Not only do you have the convenience of this awesome hut, it all folds down into a nice compact case, and you can just sling it on the back of your sleigh and tie it to your sled, and off to the fishing you go. Now I know there's not a lot of snow on the ground here. We've had an unusually warm winter, but I have already put this to use once. We had snow and then it melted. Hopefully it'll come back again and we can get this back out on the ice. We already had it out once, spent the night in it. It was pretty darn awesome. If you are looking for a really great ice hut to take with you when you're ice fishing, this one here is big enough to sleep in. It's insulated. It's got great options for windows, including vinyl coverings that are clear and a padded covering to keep the heat in. This Eskimo FatFish is definitely a family favorite at our house.